Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send a message on Facebook Messenger anonymously. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to admin it. So if you are thinking to send a message on Facebook anonymously, then you will need to create a fake account on Facebook using a burner phone number. And you'll find burner phone number in many websites. You can search free phone number or alternative phone number on your browser, and you will get some website which provide burner phone number. So you can create a fake Facebook account using burner phone number or alternative phone number, and after that you will be able to send a message on Facebook Messenger anonymously. If you think to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to Admin It. Thank you for watching.